monster.
Yeah, no, I told you there's a freaking monster. It's humongous.
Well, what a start I have had to the 2024 season. Deer seasons are open all across the Midwest, and it's definitely time to get in the woods. But I've already been hunting for months now, literally. My daughter Hope graduated from high school this spring, and part of her graduation present was she got to pick a hunt. And I've always wanted to hunt the Haul Road for caribou in Alaska. We had to pick a hunt that fit into her schedule, and so that she could move into college, right? So we went up to Alaska.
And it looks even weirder.
Yeah, you look weird anyways. On a caribou hunt, and it was just awesome. We had to drive the Haul Road for 12, 14, 16 hours, something like that, into our boat ramp, and then we got boated in on a jet boat to get us back off the 5-mile corridor so that Hope could use a rifle to shoot a caribou. And we had before season even opened, we had an amazing amount of caribou come right through camp, and we thought it was just going to be, not easy, but we thought it was going to be, doable hunt. We thought we were going to all get to shoot caribou. So I think the second day of the hunt, we had an opportunity at a caribou. Both my buddy Logan and Hope were set up on the caribou, and it was such a good bow opportunity, and we thought we were going to have lots and lots of chances, just judging by the first day. But Logan shot it with shot the caribou with the bow, and was cool that we had those opportunities early on, because later in the hunt it totally dried up. But and then, since my wife was so awesome and gracious to let me go on that adventure, I decided she was going to be up to bat first on opening day here in Missouri, and it was pretty awesome. We had a couple of close encounters with some nice bucks.
Well, we just saw some deer, and they're walking along the cornfield heading towards the beans. The beans are real green right now, and they seem to be wanting green food right now. So we got this green food plot over here. I'm hoping that they'll come out tonight and get a bite out of this food plot. We will see what happens. Well, we made it back to the house. It was a thrilling night. I'm glad I got to see some bucks. And I'm thankful for the night out with my hottie husband.
That's right.
Unfortunately, I think my nerves made me just use the wrong pin. I was quick to shoot and should have taken my time. But glad everybody's okay, and we'll be back again another night.
You see a deer? You want to see a deer? Yeah, I'm sorry. Mommy missed. You let William down, Monica. Look how sad he is that you missed.
I know. Mommy will have to come back another night.
William, can you say
Get a big buck.
thanks for watching Midwest Whitetail?
Great Plains show.
There we go. We got a pro back here. Well, it didn't work out on that opening night for Monica to shoot a buck, but we went back to the exact same spot on September the 21st, and it started out rainy and nasty, and we thought we were going to be sitting in a dry stand after the rain moved through, but that was not the case. But well, we'll just have to see how it worked out for us.
So we decided we'd go hunting tonight, thinking the weather had moved past us and it was just going to sprinkle. Turns out we were wrong. Our pants are soaked. I'm thankful for the seat cushion hood.
It's letting up a little bit.
We just had some bucks come in. I thought maybe this rain was going to pay off after all. At least we saw something.
Which one were you going to shoot?
The one in shooting range. What a night it has been. All the rain. I went back and forth deciding whether or not I was going to hunt tonight because I didn't want to be caught in the stand in the pouring rain. Fortunately, I decided we should go for it. We knew it was going to get cooler and the bucks would start moving again. It dropped 20 degrees and super excited when that group of bachelor bucks came out. I thought for sure I was going to get a shot, but they never got close enough, so I was feeling a little deflated, and lo and behold, this buck came up practically, well, it quietly came up underneath us, and my husband, luckily, he saw it, and super excited. I got a shot at him. It wasn't the greatest shot that I've ever made, for sure, but I'm really glad I'm sitting here behind this nice 10-pointer, and I'm thankful for another night in the stand with my husband, and glad I got an early season buck so I can spend some more time with my boys. Thank you for tuning in to Midwest Whitetail Great Plains Show.
Yeah. 2, 3. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, thank you.
Can I touch the antlers?
Of course. No.
Hey, dude!
All right, let's go home. Hop in. Home.
What's up, guys? Today is September 30th, and we're back here in Northwest Arkansas gearing up for the 2024 deer season. Here in the far northwest corner, season opened earlier this week, just a few days ago, but haven't got a chance to get out yet. I just recently, a few weeks ago, got this new permission piece. It's only a couple miles down the road on the same creek system as the back 9, where Josh and I did the majority of our hunting last year and where I shot my deer last season. So I've been doing a lot of scouting this off season, both just driving roads, knocking on doors, and really a lot of e-scouting on Onyx, just looking at the satellite and trying to find some different permission pieces around the area, and found this one on the maps, gave it a couple drive-bys, and decided to reach out to the landowner and scored permission just a few weeks ago. I'm gonna take down this camera right here and just work my way down this oak ridge, down to closer to this bottom where I've been getting pictures of them in the evenings. There's a couple really good funnels in here, and I'm gonna try and find a good trail to move it to. All right, I picked out a spot here in this tree farm that has a couple really fresh scrapes, and there's a couple pretty mature oak trees just down this draw, so the deer are using it really frequently. A lot of droppings and a couple freshly opened scrapes, so I'm gonna throw up this camera here, then trim a couple lanes over there. It's 3:30 right now, I need to get back, so I'm gonna get this hung real quick and then head over to that set. All right, so right behind me is a set that I hung just a few days ago up in the sycamore tree. Kind of just a central stand location right on this ditch line that I'm about to walk down into. I hung the set and gonna come back today here in a little bit and trim some lanes so we have somewhere just to get up and sit pretty easily for the early season. Well guys, happy deer season 2024. Today is October 1st here in Northwest Arkansas. Just came and got in the tree for the first time this year, and it feels great to be up at a stand. It took me quite a while to get up here. It's a new tree, and not having got up here and set up all the camera equipment and everything for the past 9 months, it's always pretty difficult to get in for the first time this year. But it took me a little bit, but just got all set up kind of. I'm in this big sycamore tree that I hung for early season specifically. Right along this tree line, there's a ditch right behind me, and there's a couple really mature oak trees that are just dropping acorns like crazy, and these deer have been tearing it up. So I just put a camera out here yesterday and got a lot of activity overnight. Tonight, the number one target buck is that big 10, mainframe 10 with crab claws on either side. He's been showing up pretty regularly on this farm. Again, this is a new permission piece, and I'm not exactly sure how these deer travel and use it yet. So all in all, I'm really just excited to figure out where these deer are coming in and out of, and where some of the hot spots are on this property. But I'm gonna try and get situated. I can't even get really hooks in this big sycamore tree to hang my bow and stuff, so I'm gonna have to try and figure out how to hide everything. But fingers crossed, the first of the year is a good one. We'll see.